So a contactor is an electrically controlled switch. That is, that it is a switch which is controlled by being electrically energized. So we can see that the contactor, it will consist of a coil and the actual mechanisms which close. So we have here a 3-pole contactor. We can see that denoted by L1, L2, and L3, and so on and so forth. And on this side of the contactor, we have the, if you will, we have a normally open contact. So continuing on, we have the coil. The coil is marked by A1 and A2. These are the terminals for that coil. The coil is rated 120 volts at 60 hertz and 110 volts at 50 hertz. Mounted to the side of this contactor, we have what is called an auxiliary contact, or an additional. It is an addition. It's in addition to the actual main unit, which is the actual contactor, and it is actuated by the movement, the actuation of the contactor. As we can see, the main unit, when it's energized, it will actuate the connections across here. So we have that the inside terminals are actually normally closed. So that means from here to here is going to always be closed as long as this is not actuated. When this is actuated, this becomes open from its normal state of being closed, and these close. As we can see, their normal state will be open according to the diagram. When the contactor is actuated, this becomes open, this becomes closed, and in the actuation, we are able to remove the faceplate of the contactor. We can actually see the mechanisms which carry the large current. As for we can remove that, we can actually see the coil, which is able to be removed. We can see that those A1 and A2 connect down to the coil, which is pretty much a coil of wire, and it sits just as this